Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. We are here with Klaiyi hair in the building. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick unboxing of the goods they sent over. This is the unit. I do have their 13x6 lace frontal wig. This is a kinky straight unit with kinky edges, and I'm so excited to be installing this, y'all. I was hyped. I'm like, what? We got kinky edges now? Let's get into it. Okay. This is the hairline once I pushed everything back, and this is the back of the hair, y'all. Look how thick and beautiful this hair is. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. I just scooted her up so y'all can see the texture of this hair. I love me some kinky straight hair. Okay, I am going in to wash and condition the hair. I'm using my Paul Mitchell's super skinny serum. I love this stuff, y'all. This stuff will get your wigs right. But here, I'm just, like I said, I'm just showing you guys a little bit of me shampooing it. I did condition the hair, but it didn't record for some reason. But anyway, I'm just lightly, massaging the frontal section and just letting the shampoo run down the hair. And we're just going to rinse it out, add our conditioner, and repeat. So as you guys can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a towel and just wring out the water that is not needed. Okay, it was dripping on the floor. And now I'm just gonna take my leave-in conditioner and we're just gonna rub that throughout the entire hair. Make sure you get the ends. So this is the next day. I'm going in to tint my lace. I did not bleach the knots. Okay. I felt like I went a little bit light with this product because I don't know why. I should have went a little bit heavier when it comes down to the lace because it was transparent, 1, and 2, I did not bleach those knots. So I could have went in a little bit more heavy. It does look like it's fully coated, but y'all see when I put it on, I could have used a little bit more tint spray. Going in with my hot comb, and I'm not gonna do too much when it comes down to customizing the hairline because I really want it to stay as natural as possible, if that makes sense. So I'm just doing light plucking, and trust me, when I say light plucking, I mean like y'all not even gonna notice that I plucked the unit at all once I once I put it on my head. Y'all see. So I'm just brushing out the loose hairs after plucking. I take my brush and brush them out, and then I just go back in and do a little bit more plucking. I did go in and hot comb the kinky edges out because, like I said, I was gonna press this unit, but I changed my mind. Now I'm taking my Kiss wax stick. This is my first time using this specific wax, so I'm not gonna say too much about it. I'm gonna have to keep using it a little bit more to get a feel of it. It does have a scent to it, so if you don't like scents, I think it's sweet peach. This ain't for you, but I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb the baby hairs and everything back into the hairline so I can install my unit. Lace off. I tried to cut as close as I can. Okay. I try to create jagged edges as well so the line won't be blunt, but this is what it looks like once I removed all of that extra lace. And now I'm just gonna wipe the makeup off of my forehead because we don't need forehead makeup. So now I'm using my Lace Bond Adhesive Spray by Kiss. First time using this product too. I ain't gonna say too much, but I'm just gonna take a thin layer of this and I'm just gonna add some cool air. And we're gonna wait until this is tacky, and it's pretty much my same process. Once it's tacky, you see how my finger is getting stuck? It is time to lay that bad boy down. So I line the wig where I place the product, and I use my fingers, the back of a comb, to press that lace in. And y'all, for this lace to be transparent, honey, that lace sure did melt. It sure did. Be sure to stretch your lace. This unit is big head friendly, y'all. This has a lot of lace, okay? A lot of lace. So be mindful when you stretch it. You might have some lace that you need to trim off. that is done. I'm taking a little bit more of my tinting spray and putting it on the outside of the lace, and then I'm just going to add my elastic bands, and I'm just going to double up on bands. I'm going to use my regular Amazon band and also the Klaiyi band that they sent over as well. This is what the hairline looks like once I take the elastic band off, and it looks hecka good. As you guys can see, I'm going back in with a hot comb. This unit in specific is made to have volume, okay? I would say that because the edges are kinky, meaning that if you do straighten them out, they will have like this flyaway thing going on if you do not blend them in properly. So I would say, like, if your roots are too flat, you're going to be able to see the baby hairs that you didn't use. So here I'm creating my baby hairs, but I'm not using all the baby hairs that were in the way. I used some of my, and I pulled the rest that I wasn't using back into the hairline. I would say go in and definitely pluck the baby hairs because it was a lot of baby hairs. But like I said, if you're doing a style with a lot of volume and the roots, you'll be completely fine. And I noticed that pretty much worked well with this hair, if I'm making any sense at all. Overall, I love this unit. A 10 out of 10 in my book. I don't have any complaints. It took washing and conditioning it very well. It took heat well. This wig can hold a curl like no other. So yeah, I love working with this unit, y'all. I enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. If you guys are interested in this unit, don't forget to check the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.